Feeling swamped by work, endless emails, and never-ending tasks? What if I told you that AI tools could be your secret weapon for boosting productivity? Stick around to learn about 5 life-changing AI tools, even if you're just getting started. Hi everyone! We're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Our goal is to empower individuals by enhancing their digital skills and boosting technology participation. But there's more. Part of our profits funds free IT classes and befriending events for the community. When you learn with us, you're also helping us create positive change. Let's dive into 5 powerful AI tools that can supercharge your productivity, beginner-friendly and fun. The first problem is, why you need AI tools? Life's busy, right? Emails, projects, deadlines. It's like running a never-ending race. But AI tools can lighten the load by simplifying everyday tasks like organizing your tasks, writing emails and reports, managing your schedule, even creating stunning designs. Let's explore 5 essential AI tools that will make your life easier. No tech skills required. First up, we have ChatGPT, your ultimate AI-powered writing assistant. Whether you're crafting emails, writing blogs, or drafting reports, ChatGPT has your back. It can help you draft professional emails in seconds, create blog posts with engaging content, brainstorm creative ideas. Simply give it a prompt like, write a thank you email for a meeting. And voila! You've got a perfectly worded message in no time. Goodbye, writer's block. Hello, productivity. Next, meet Grammarly, your personal grammar superhero. Grammarly makes sure your writing is clear, professional, and mistake-free. It helps you fix typos and spelling mistakes, correct tricky grammar errors. Suggest style improvements for clarity. With Grammarly, even your toughest emails will shine. 3. Canva, design made simple. Ever wish you could design like a pro without any design experience? Say hello to Canva, the ultimate AI-powered design tool. Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching social media posts, custom presentations and reports, logos, flyers, and more. From business branding to personal projects, Canva has you covered. Next up is Trello, your AI-powered task manager. It keeps your projects on track by helping you organize tasks with boards and lists, set deadlines with reminders, track progress effortlessly. Staying organized has never been this easy. 5. Otter.ai, AI note taker. Lastly, Otter.ai takes perfect notes so you can focus on conversations. It can transcribe meetings and lectures in real time, highlight key points automatically, save everything in searchable notes, no more missed details or hand cramps. Otter.ai's got your back. Otter.ai, let AI take perfect notes. To recap, these 5 AI tools will help you. 1. Write better and faster with the ChatGPT. 2. Improve your grammar with Grammarly. 3. Design stunning graphics with Canva. 4. Stay organized with Trello. 5. Take notes effortlessly with Otter.ai. If you want to dive deeper into these tools and learn how to master them, check out our digital skills training at OneConnect. Our services including digital skills training. Gain essential digital skills, from beginner tools to advanced techniques. Community outreach. Learn while giving back, supporting underserved communities with every course you take. Expert guidance. Learn from experienced trainers and mentors dedicated to your success. Affordable courses. Access high-quality training at prices that fit your budget. And our products including digital resources. Explore our ebooks, templates, and more to grow your skills. Website design and maintenance. Need a professional website? We create, launch, and maintain it for you. At OneConnect, we're here to help you master tools like these. Check out our digital skills training, affordable courses, and resources below. Empower yourself, unlock new opportunities, and support your community. Visit our website or check out the links below to explore our affordable courses, ebooks, and expert services. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance, we're here to support your digital journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a productivity boost. Drop your favorite AI tools in the comments. Let's help each other out. And let us know what you'd love to learn next. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.